Good evening. My name is Richard Parson, and I'm president of Kensington Neighborhood Association. And I'd like to report from the other side of this tragedy. When the tornado struck so suddenly and fiercely, we were in shock. And then we came out of our houses and didn't know how to respond, didn't know what to do. We couldn't even believe what we were seeing. And it was quiet. Well, while we were going from house to house, things started happening. Our first responders were on the scene, and we realized that we weren't alone. We realized that we were safe. And I'm here to tell you that it was the best feeling in the world to look around and see that those City of Round Rock trucks and the police, everything you could imagine.
Today we're on day 5 of assisting our residents with cleanup. What we have crews doing today, as you can see behind me, and assisted one of our homeowners with removing a tree that was on his house.
Cut it from, use the tree as a protection.
And so now we're bringing all that debris from the back up to the front so that it can be removed completely from his residence.
I was tasked with helping to coordinate the volunteer cleanup efforts. On Friday, when we were finalizing all of the plans, we had discussed focusing the majority of our efforts in the Kensington neighborhood. We had several hundred volunteers come into Kensington, and we didn't even think it was possible to finish Kensington. We just wanted to put a dent in the amount of brush and debris that we had in this neighborhood. And the citizens of Round Rock came out and just absolutely surpassed everything we think they could have done that was humanly possible. And we are incredibly proud and appreciative of everything that they were able to do.
And that's why I'm here to tell you that I live in the best city anywhere, and we're so thankful. Thank you so much.